Hey guys, let's get started on these brows. So I'm taking a spoolie and just brushing my hairs into place. Today I'm going to be using a pomade, so I'm taking this Morphe brow pomade. And I'm going to be taking an angled brush. And the first thing I do is just draw an outline on the bottom of my brow in its natural shape. And I follow and do the same thing on the top of my brow. I follow the natural shape and arch and draw a line up top. I extend my tail a little bit because my brows are a little bit shorter. And next I'm just going to go in and fill in any sparse areas with that pomade. I'm using light brush strokes and just filling in the gaps. And towards the front of my brow, I do lighter strokes so that it doesn't look as harsh. It's important to go through and brush through your brows once you're doing them so that you don't have those harsh lines. So now I'm just going back in and filling in any gaps that I see. All right, next I'm going to take my MAC Studio Finish Concealer on a flat angle brush, and I'm just going to carve out the bottom of my brow. Normally I use a shade that's the same as my skin tone, but today I just decided to use a shade that was a couple shades lighter so that I could highlight underneath my brow. This also helps if you feel like you've made a mistake and you might have made your brows too thick. You can go in with some concealer to clean up any mistakes that you've made. And I'm just going to go in with this fluffy brush and blend that concealer out. I normally blend it downward to prep for eyeshadow application, but today we're just doing brows. And I'm going to take my MAC brow gel and just use that to set my hairs in place. And there you can see that difference already. Now I'm just going in to fill in my other brow. I sped this part up because I'm literally just following the same steps I did on my other brow. And you always have to have a singing break while you're doing your makeup. It's important to remember that your eyebrows are sisters, they're not twins. So they're not always going to look identical, and that's okay. Just try to get them to look as symmetrical as possible. And there you have it, guys. That is how I fill in my brows with the pomade. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.